Hey Monopoly Go players, want unlimited dice to keep playing and rolling without ever running out? In today's video, I will show you how to get those unlimited dice and keep the game going on. We all know the struggle running out of dice, but guess what? You can get more dice by waiting for a refill after a certain period or by watching ad in the game to instantly get a dice refill. If you are looking for a faster way, you can purchase dice back from the store. Special offer pop up now and then with bonus dice. Keep an eye out. Complete daily task or even challenge. By finishing these, you will earn free dice as reward. They add up quickly if you stay active. Play with your Tycoon Club or friends. Sometimes club or multiplayer game offer dice as reward for participating in event or achieving milestone. Here's the pro tip. Log in every day to get your daily dice bonus. And don't forget to check your limited time event where you can earn even more. And here's the quick question. How do you prefer to get your dice? To reward, purchase, or by waiting for refills? Let me know in the comment below. And that's how to get unlimited Monopoly Go dice. Stay active on reward and never run out of dice again. If this video helps, smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Monopoly Go tips.